My name is Toshyna Patterson, and this is my 10-month-old daughter, Sarayah Paulwell. She is also the daughter of Philip Paulwell, Member of Parliament for the constituency of Kingston East in Jamaica. On September 9, 2023, at about 7 a.m., Leota Bradshaw, Philip's other baby mother, pulled up to my house on Gilmore Drive, Kingston 20. She had been blowing up my phone trying to get me out of my house. I went outside with Sarayah and got into the vehicle. We were there for about 22 minutes when we went with Leota. Little did I know Leota had been plotting. On the 5th of September, Leota had contacted me on Facebook claiming to be Philip's wife after learning about my baby from a strange page with a PNP logo on it, going by the name Jessica Dean. Who was that? We had a brief conversation because I blocked her after she suggested that I do a DNA test for my child to prove that Philip was her father. The next day, she came to Jamaica on a wicked mission. September 6th, the very next day, she was in Jamaica and linked up with her cousin Roland Balfour, and together they contracted men to murder me and my innocent child for 500,000 Jamaican dollars. They met up with a man called Roshane Miller and another man called Richard Brown to arrange the heartless acts. She gave them a down payment of 100,000 Jamaican dollars and assured them that she will give them the rest once me and my baby are no longer breathing. The men went to my address that night to scope out the area. They met with Leota in Stony Hill, where she had been staying, and had an official meeting on how exactly they were going to get rid of us. After the SUV drove off with me and my baby that morning, they took us to Warwick Hill. My baby was a happy, loving baby. She was there in her little pink onesie, playing with the men who were there with Leota. Suddenly, the mood shifted. I caught on that something was wrong. I realized that I had made a horrible mistake. My poor innocent baby watched me as I begged for her life, but their minds were made up. Leota was their dictator. I could see exactly what was going on, but I just wanted my baby to be safe. One of the men shot my baby in her head, then emptied 3 shots into her lifeless body. It was now my turn. He pointed the gun to my head, and the last words I heard was, "Leave people man alone." Our charred, decomposing remains were found in Warwick Hill after one of the men who was responsible for our horrific demise confessed to the police out of fear of dying by the hands of another hitman. We need justice to the full extent of the law. Jamaica, don't fail us.